Hi guys, and welcome to another WordPress Divi theme e-commerce site build. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. In our last video we just put together this little contact page here. What I'd like to do in this one is just add a full width Google map under our contact form here. Now there's a couple of ways you can go about doing this with Divi. I'm going to do it without an API key. You may ask what that is. So let's go back to our page here. Here's our contact form. So I'd want to add a full width section, insert a module, and you'll see that Divi's already got a full width map provided for you right there. And you can put in your address and add different pins to that map. But to do this, you need a Google API key. And to get one, you need to go to your Google Developers Console and you can get one there. But I'm going to show you how to do it without having to get an API key. So if I just close that, I'm going to get rid of that map module. I'm just going to insert a full width code module instead. Now I've got that address of the Empire State Building up here. Let's just close that out and show you, because obviously I've got no real site for my store. So what I'm going to do to get the code for a full width map is I'm going to go to the share button. I'm going to hit embed map, and here we are. It's made us a map with the Empire State Building address. You can scroll in or scroll out to whatever size you want it. Put that little pin right in the middle. Shut that up. And here's the code that we want to embed this in our site. So over here we can go copy HTML and it's copied us for it. Obviously you can left click and drag and do it that way if you prefer. Now that we've copied the HTML, let's go back to our site. Here's that page where we want to put the content. Hit Ctrl V and just paste that in there. Now that might look a little scary, but it's not. We've got to tweak a little bit of this code in a minute, but don't worry, I'll show you exactly what to do. So let's save that, update our page and see what we've got. And we will have a map on our page, but it's not going to be displaying quite like I want it displayed. So now it's updated, let's preview the change. And take a look what we've got. There we go. Well, there's our map. It's a map, can't deny that, and it's a live Google map, so you can scroll in and out on it. But it's not what I want. I want it to be the whole of the width of this page. So like I said before, we've got to go back and tweak a little bit of code there. Let's go back to our page. There's that full width code. Now if we look down, right near the end here, you can see width equals 600. Yours may say something different, but it's going to say width equals something. And in between those inverted commas there, be careful not to clip those off. Just get the number. And I'm going to write in 100%. And there's the height of 450. I'm going to add, let's make that about 600, purely because I want to put a divider in a minute. And that'll take up some of that height. So now it should be 100% of the width of our screen, and it should be 600 pixels deep. So let's save that. Update. Now it's updated. Let's see what we've got now. So we'll preview those changes. That's a bit more like it. Now we've got our full width map, which is exactly what I wanted, with our address right there in the center. It's live, so you can scroll to zoom and what have you. And so we're going to want to take away this divider, which is in the bottom of this section. We're going to want to add one to our little map section that's here. So let's do that with our visual builder. Now that it's loaded, let's check out this section and take off the divider at the bottom there. That one, so we just want to reset that to none. That's good. That's going straight into our map now. But we do want to add a divider at the bottom of this to go into this little green section there. So let's grab this one, go to Design, Dividers, and we want it on the bottom again. And style wise, we'll use the same one as we had before, which was that sort of curly one. It seemed to work pretty well for us. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, I think that's going to work fine. I might make that height a little bit more. Something like that. There we go. Let's save that. That's good. I'm happy with that. Let's save our changes. And exit the visual builder. And there we have it. We've now got our contact page with a bit of contact info, a form, our address and hours, and a full width Google map below that's live that you can scroll in and out. And our footer and our little counter section there. So there we are. That is how to add a full width Google map to your Divi WordPress site. In fact, that'll work for any site, HTML, Bootstrap, you name it. That's how to get your embed code for your map. But we've done it this way with the Divi theme without having to get an API key from Google, which is just one less step. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please like the video and share it. Subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in web development, take one of our courses below. We've got some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. There's also some great free courses down there, so take a look. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.